with ingenuity and persistence, build up the city's ambition. With supreme goodness, gather centripetal force. With the wisdom of innovation, carve the quality of the era. With the wish of the preference, explore the future of the industry. Application on reality. Classics in the world. The ingenuity of craftsmen pursue sincerity and refinement. Majestic Mount Tai, the avenue of Confucius and Mencius, conceived the classic character of application on reality classics in the world. Just the new building industrialization entered the new era. In 2012, the classic persons of concentration, innovation, pragmatism, and efficiency promote the wave of green building development. Build Mount Tai with ingenuity. Spread the business ways of great Confucianism with sincerity. From surpassing to leading, establish more than 10 subsidiaries. Be the enterprise integrating steel structure R&D and design, production and manufacturing, construction and modern logistics as the core. And a national high-tech enterprise engaged in diversified operations such as material trade, curtain wall decoration, cultural media, and so on. Has written a classic legend of continuous self-improvement and leapfrog development. Classic forges new prefabricated buildings with ingenuity and develops the industrial chain with high quality. Become the Vice President Unit of China Steel Structure Association. Was approved to be National Prefabricated Construction Industry Base. Obtained special grade qualification for steel structure manufacturing. Grade 1 qualification for general construction contracting. Grade A qualification for steel structure and curtain wall engineering design. The special grade qualification for contracting metal enclosure system in China, and many supporting qualifications and series of system certification. Be the industry standard setter, product quality demonstrator, the creator of customer value, and the leader of construction technology. Firmly consolidate at home and face the world. In the wide fields of high-rise buildings, prefabricated public buildings, stadiums and gymnasiums, high-tower terminals, long-span bridges, marine engineering, and so on. Classic green buildings stand on the world map. Work hard for dashing airport, insert steel wings. Warmly prepare for the ice hockey stadium of Winter Olympic Games. Hold up Chinese muscle and bones. Asia Investment Bank, Beijing Universal Studios, Beijing International Conference Center. Stand firmly on the hot land of coordinated development of Beijing, Tianjin, and Hebei. Shenyang Golden Corridor. Constantly refresh the new height of prefabricated super high-rise buildings. From the Yangtze River Delta Economic Circle to the Shandong Peninsula urban agglomeration. From the land of Inner Mongolia to the Yunnan Guizhou Plateau. With more than 50 national and provincial, new and old kinetic energy conversion projects, make classic contributions to high-quality development. Thousands of classic model projects are shining on the Belt and Road Initiative. Light up the hope of the common destiny for more than 50 countries and regions around the world. Work for perfection. Concentrate the force. Occupy the market with quality and lead the future with science and technology. Classic has made unremitting efforts to build China's leading technology-based, prefabricated construction enterprise. Carry out deep cooperation with the world's top 500, China Metallurgical Construction Research Institute. Established the National Steel Structure Engineering Research Center, Steel Structure Classic Research Institute. Pilot base of National Steel Structure Engineering Technology Research Center. Intelligent green building new material R&D, production and manufacturing base. Conduct the industry university research cooperation with Harbin Institute of Technology, Tongji University, Shandong Jianzhou University, Xi'an University of Architecture and Technology, etc. Established innovative platforms such as national postdoctoral research workstations. Obtained more than 160 national patents and scientific research achievements. Inject wisdom and strength into enterprise development. Innovative Classic. Make endless progress. Established Provincial Enterprise Technology Center and Innovation Practice Base. Won the Gazelle Enterprise in Shandong Province. With classic quality, ingenious creation. Built Qilu Skillmaster Characteristic Workstation. Demonstration base for high-skill talent cultivation. Won the National May 1st Labor Award. Promote the inheritance of classic ingenuity. Even mountains and seas cannot distance people with common aspirations. Classics take academic responsibility. Hold various industry forums, academic seminars, well-known academicians, national survey and design masters, industry experts and professors. Gather together, integrate wisdom and strength, and jointly discuss development. Exploration and innovation, intellectually creating classics. Those observing the trend are wise, and those controlling the trend win. Classics seize the historical opportunity of carbon peak, carbon neutrality. Supported by big data and cloud computing, build a green building industry chain platform. Build a green future factory with data as the engine. Use intelligent manufacturing, industrial automation, and industrial digitization to innovate and practice the new mode of green building integration. To promote the deep integration of the internet, artificial intelligence, and steel structure fabricated construction industry. Be steeled in repeated struggles. Intelligence creates brilliance. Steel structure box beam column production line, intelligent cutting, welding robot, intelligent CNC intersecting line cutting line. CNC three-dimensional drilling and cutting, integrated machining center, and other top equipment are synchronized with the world. In the processing workshop of 480,000 square meters, 36 steel structure production lines, and 16 enclosure system production lines. Let Classics become a leading light steel and heavy steel production and processing base in China. Wish for perfection. Create the future. Confucianism embellishes the classics, and sincerity contains benevolence. The warm current of integrity, people harmony, nurtures the classic values of humanism, integrity, dedication, responsibility, and gratitude. Takes root and grows in everyone's heart. Classic career, let love pass on. Sets up tens of millions of classic love public welfare funds. Actively helps vulnerable groups and interprets the boundless love of the classics of Confucian businessmen. The best employer, the happiest enterprise, and the top 10 enterprises for respecting the elderly in Shandong Province. Become a warm footnote of caring for life and putting people first. While realizing the enterprise's own value, more and better contribute to society. Jointly build a harmonious and beautiful life for mankind. Ingenuity to perfection, sincerity to goodness. Continue to write the classic selections. Mission is like the torch. Original intention is like the rock. We'll create a classic future again.